If you want to use Claude directly in your Chrome browser, adding the Claude Chrome extension can make things much easier. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add it in just a few steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can simply search for the Chrome Web Store on Google. Once you're there, use the search bar and type Claude. Look for the official Claude extension. Make sure you check the developer name before installing anything. This helps you avoid fake or unofficial extensions. Once you find the right extension, click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up should appear. Click Add Extension to confirm. Give Chrome a few seconds to install it. After the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of your browser. Click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon. You should see Claude listed there. If you want quick access, click the pin icon next to Claude. This will keep the extension visible in your Chrome toolbar. Now, click the Claude icon. Depending on the extension and your account, you may need to sign in to your Claude account. Follow the instructions on screen. Once you're signed in, you're ready to use Claude from Chrome. And that's basically it. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. Just remember to download the official extension. Avoid extensions with suspicious names or developers. Also, Chrome extensions can change over time. So, some buttons or menus may look slightly different when you follow these steps.